Here are the three best things about this Biota Professional Strength Drain Cleaner. First, it helps prevent slow drains and clogs before they become a bigger problem by breaking down grease, soap scum, food particles, and other buildup naturally. Second, it's septic and pipe safe because it uses enzymes and beneficial bacteria instead of like harsh chemicals that can damage plumbing over time, right? So that's great. And third, it also helps eliminate bad drain odors at the source instead of just masking the smell, which we all hate. But that makes it great for kitchens, bathrooms, garbage disposals, RVs, and more. So, if you guys want a safer maintenance cleaner to help keep your drains flowing and smelling better, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.